Hey guys, it's Brianna and today we are doing a little DIY thing. You're just going to see me make over this guy right here. So this is just a jewelry organizer, but as you can see it is the acrylic. So if I put any jewelry in it, it'll scratch the thing and it will scratch the jewelry as well. So this one's from Home Goods and it is $29.99 and it's got the 3 big ones, the 4 small ones, and then little compartments to put all your little stuff in. This comes with it. So that looks okay, and then I can use these as a guide, or I can glue these down. I'm not sure which I'm going to do yet. So I got some wander tape. I'm just going to be using it for this because I forgot my ATG gun, which would have been what I would use for this. And I'm just using a pair of tweezers. A little tip is you want to do the front first so that any access is going to be on the back, and then I'm just going to press it down with your finger or with the tweezers. I did this first drawer and just ran it along these sides, and you can still see it through, but it's going to be on the inside, so it doesn't really matter. You could also do this with your Cricut. If I was using the material I'm going to do it with my Cricut and just measure it, stick the fabric on your mat, and then it would automatically cut it to the dimensions that you need. But since these came with it already, I wasn't going to just throw them away. And if you wanted yours to be more padded, you definitely could add some batting to this or to some fabric, because not all of the drawers come with the linings. So this is currently how I'm storing my jewelry. I painted this. This used to be a jewelry box for my mom when she was little, and then I made it so that my earrings could go right here. It's really cute, but I've just kind of outgrown this type of thing. I'm still going to keep it because it is a very cute little box. It's a little piano, and then I have this tack box, which is literally like a fishing line tack organizer, and I'm going to go through it, see which I want to keep and which I am ready to either donate or just get rid of. So this is how the drawer organizer looks as it's sitting on my shelf. I did keep my piano bench one right here. So I'm going to take these down to the floor, drawer by drawer, so you can see them, but here is just the view of how it looks all together, because I don't want to take it all down just because it is a lot of stuff. First 2 large drawers are my jewelry, then I have my tiara, makeup, hair ties, and on top is a doll that my mom made for me by hand, so I'll even show you guys that. So here is the first drawer. This is my #1 tip with organizing jewelry. This is just a piece of felt, and I just put each of my earrings into it, and the backs, it's all the way through, well, except for those hoops that just fell off because I was a little lazy that day. And this is a nice way to keep everything organized all in one place, and you can see it. It's not sitting in a bunch of boxes. Then I just have some random bits in there. Drawer #2. These are the ones that I did want to keep kind of the padding from the inside of the boxes, but I didn't want anything in boxes because I hate when I can't see stuff because then I don't wear it. All of my leather bands from Disneyland. Pin from one of my lounge flight outfits. Coach watch with the little T-Rex. The next drawer is literally my tiara. It's from Disneyland and I really like this one, so it earned its own drawer. Next is the tiny drawers. So this is the first layer. I have my Eve Pearl blush and foundation in here. Some shimmer for my eyes, eyeliners, and I tend to keep my daily care of makeup in this little pouch. I could just take down the drawer and use it, but I do just find myself throwing it in here and then zipping it up and putting it next to the chest of drawers. And the reason for it being in the bag is the brushes don't fit very seamlessly in the container. I thought they would, but they fall a little short. So then you got it like rubbing, and I wouldn't put used brushes in here because then you'll have smears all over the acrylic, and it's not a cute vibe. Next, I just have all of my Invisibobbles, hair ties. This is literally like a generic Tic Tac box. I just liked it because it had the shark bite in it and it said great bite. And I just keep them all in here, so it's a good hack for keeping them all clean, and then you just go like that whenever you need one to come out. On the top tier, I have my lip products. I just thought she fit pretty perfect in there, and it just makes it a little bit more personal. And I hope you guys learned some tips and tricks along the way, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!